Hi, today in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Xcover 6 Pro, and I'll show you how to customize Quick Launch on this device. So now by double press to power key button, we can see that the camera application is activated, and if you want to change the application, for example, if you want to open by double press to power key the torch or another feature or just another application, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to advanced features. After that, click to side key. Here we can see that we have selected the quick launch camera. We can switch it to the app. For example, we can use the torch, any applications, just gallery, contacts, the Google Maps, for example, YouTube. For example, let's use Play Store, and just now let's press to the twice to power key, and we can see that the Google Play, the Play Store application successfully activated. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.